Hello. Welcome to our video on how Honda built a global business empire. Honda is a company that has come a long way since its founding in 1948 by Soichiro Honda. Today, it is a multinational corporation that produces everything from automobiles and motorcycles to power equipment and engines. In this video, we're going to take a look at the key factors that have contributed to Honda's success and how it became one of the most recognized and respected brands in the world. Honda's story began in the aftermath of World War II, when Japan was still rebuilding from the devastation of the war. Soichiro Honda, a mechanic and engineer, saw an opportunity to start a business building and selling motors for bicycles. He started with a small workshop and just a handful of employees, but quickly built a reputation for producing high-quality motors that were reliable and easy to use. This laid the foundation for Honda's future success as a producer of engines and machinery. In the 1950s, Honda expanded into the motorcycle market, and by the 1960s it had become one of the leading motorcycle manufacturers in the world. Honda's ability to produce high-quality, reliable and fuel-efficient engines was a major factor in its success in the motorcycle market, and these same qualities would later serve Honda well in the automobile market. In 1963, Honda introduced its first automobile, the T360 mini truck, and it was followed by the introduction of its first passenger car, the Honda N360 in 1967. The small and fuel-efficient N360 proved to be very popular, and it helped Honda establish a foothold in the automobile market. In the following decade, Honda introduced the Civic, a compact car that featured innovative design and engineering, fuel efficiency, and low emissions, which further helped the brand to establish itself in the market. One of the key factors that has contributed to Honda's success is its focus on innovation and continuous improvement. The company has always been willing to take risks and try new things, whether it's developing new technologies, entering new markets, or experimenting with new designs. Honda has also made a conscious effort to expand its global reach, and today it has manufacturing and research and development facilities in countries around the world, which helps it to tap into local markets and stay competitive globally. Another contributing factor to Honda's success is its emphasis on corporate social responsibility. Honda's vision is to help create a sustainable mobility society, and it has been actively involved in environmental protection and community development projects. The company also places great importance on safety and quality, which is reflected in its products and operations. Today, Honda is one of the most recognized and respected brands in the world, and it continues to be a leader in the fields of automobiles and motorcycles, power equipment and engines. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.